Are you looking for simple step-by-step instructions on how to teach your child to read? Today, I'm going to show you how Teach Your Child to Read in 100 Easy Lessons works, why it's effective, and how it can help your child be a confident reader without stress. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about Teach Your Child to Read in 100 Easy Lessons. I'm going to show you inside and how it works. I do want to excuse myself. I have a cold if my voice sounds different. If you're new to my channel, I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. This book has been used by thousands of parents to help their kids learn how to read. It breaks reading down into bite-sized lessons for about 20 minutes a day. There's no complicated rules, no fancy materials. Literally, all you need is this book. So let's get into how this method works. The secret is in the DISC-STAR method, which focuses on teaching children letter sounds instead of letter names first. Now let's go over the sounds. What sound does this say?
A. A.
Mm-hmm.
E.
Good.
N.
Well, what does this one say? This one's N. So what's this one?
Woo.
Uh. Mm-hmm. Very good. This helps them to learn to blend sounds into words quickly. Each lesson follows the same simple format, so kids know what to expect, making it easier for them to learn. Each lesson introduces one or two new sounds with special symbols to help the kids pronounce them correctly. So instead of memorizing whole words, kids learn to blend the sounds. For example, here you have and here you have e. So they know that the line above it says E, then eventually they'll be able to read meat. Each lesson includes simple words and sentences for your child to read slowly, building their confidence. Eventually, they will add a small A here and tell the kids not to say the A. When the letter's small, they're not to say the A or the small letter that's there. Here you have C, and they're to put their finger at the ball at the top of the line and follow along. Me. And every day they're practicing the sounds that they learned, plus any new sounds or any new words that they have learned. Everything in red is what you're going to say. After just a few lessons, they'll be reading short stories. And yes, they'll actually be reading sentences way sooner than you think. This is a very short story. See, me, eat. And at the end of each lesson, you'll ask your child a few simple questions to make sure they understand what they read. So they're also having reading comprehension in this book. As you move along in the book, you'll see that the stories begin to get longer. So here they're introducing how you read from one line and you to the next. They also teach the concept of a period and taking a space between words. And you go down to some more lessons, and your child will be able to read a rat is in a sack. That rat is not sad. You see here how the K is small. They learn not to say the small sounds yet.
E. C. A. That.
Good.
O.
You know that word. Look at it.
Little.
Mm-hmm.
Shack.
Good. Now read it the fast way. See?
That. Little shack.
Great job. So the method's really effective because it's completely scripted. So you don't have to guess what to say or how to teach it because the book tells you exactly what to do step by step. It's also phonics based instead of sight words. Your child actually learns how to sound out words, which gives them the tools to read anything. You see how big the stories are getting. It's quick and it's structured, and each lesson takes just 15 to 20 minutes, so it fits into your busy schedule. It also builds confidence in kids because they start reading whole words and sentences almost immediately, which keeps them motivated. When your child has done this book, they will be reading at a second grade reading level. And I can let you know now, this book definitely works. It worked for my two children, my two youngest children. They're excellent readers, and this is how we started. By the age of 5.5, they were both reading at a second grade level. I started them at the age of 4, and I went through it slowly. You see how complicated the stories are getting. So let's see what the last story here is. Looks like by the time they're finished the 100 lessons, they'll be able to read this Hunting for Tigers, Part 1. The old man said, I need a tiger coat. Now you can see that the actual word coat is spelled and the A is not small anymore. So, and they have capitalized letters. So I will hunt for tiger. After the last story and you're done the final lesson, it gives you what to do next. There's a section here called What Now? It tells you to teach new sound combinations and how to do that, to introduce new reading material, and it gives you suggestions. And there's a bunch of books here that they suggest that you have your child read. And they want you to read them in order. And that is basically it, guys. You don't need any flashcards. You don't need any sight word games. All you need to do is do a lesson a day. And in 100 lessons, your child will be at a second grade reading level. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Let me know if you have used this or what you're using for reading. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. And if there's any other curriculum reviews you'd like to see, I'll try to get my hands on. Leave it in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.